Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am here with a Protein World haul. I am very lucky to be sent out products from Protein World every month. They did give me a 40% off discount code, which I will link at the bottom here now for you, and I will put it in the description box down below as well, which is really good because their products are fabulous. I love Protein World and my kids love Protein World. They literally love the mug cakes that they send out. Everything is delicious. I have tried the pizza base, really good, and their wee protein bars are so nice as well for a little snack on the go. And their mug cakes, obviously, like I said, my kids love them. Mainly my oldest boy, he absolutely loves the mug cakes, and their wee milkshakes and stuff as well are so good. I have used Protein World in the past before, and when they got in touch with me I was like, yes, I will. So yeah, it's really good, and their stuff is really good priced as well, and then with the 40% off you can't beat it. So yeah, I literally am terrible at taking protein or eating anything with protein. I do like chicken and I do like eggs and I do like all that sort of stuff, but I don't eat enough of it. That's why Protein World is very good, because they do have their wee snack protein bars, and they do have all this food with protein in it, and the likes of having a nice mug cake. It's got protein in it. It's great. You're getting your protein into you then. So it's really good. So yeah, I just thought I would do a little unboxing with you and show you what I got. So first thing is triple chocolate flavor mug cake. I mean, look at that. It looks so good. It's got 134 calories in it and source of protein, high fiber. Really good, and they are delicious. I have a caramel choo or caramel chew one, I think it's called. It's really nice, really nice. So if you're definitely wanting that something sweet after your dinner, or if you just fancy a little cake, this is really good to just stick on and eat. They're so handy to make. You literally just get your scoops of the mug cake and you can mix it with milk, I think. Yeah, you can mix it with water or milk and just stick it in the microwave for a minute, and that's you're good to go. It's so handy. I have tried the other brand mug cakes and I wasn't fussed because they tasted really like they had that real protein taste to it, and I just didn't like it at all. Whereas these are lovely and sweet and they just taste like a cake. So delicious. So yeah, I've got the triple chocolate flavour, and then I have the banana bread flavour, which I am so excited to try that one. I love banana bread, and yeah, whenever I seen the banana bread flavour mug cake, I was like, yes. So I can't wait to try that one as well. So we have that one too. It's only got 131 calories in it, whereas yeah, that other one, I suppose it's chocolate, so it's got 134. That one's only 131 calories, so you're still sort of staying, you know, healthy as well. It's not high in calories. And then we have white chocolate and raspberry flavour. I mean, do I need to say any more? So as you can see, this one's already been opened because my older boy caught eyes of this one and he wanted to instantly try it as soon as the box of Protein World comes. My older boy is straight in there. What'd you get, mummy? What'd you get? I want to try. And he has to get trying it too. So when he seen the white chocolate and raspberry flavour, he wanted to instantly try it. So I had to make him one of them. And it's got 144 calories in it, and it actually comes out pink. It looks really nice. But yeah, me and him had a wee taste test of this one already, and yes, I can highly recommend. It definitely hits that sweetness that you need after like dinner, or if you want something sweet, like I say, it definitely hits the spot with that. And then I got the summer berries flavour Slender Blend. So this looked really appetizing. Like, it just looks so refreshing. You can make your normal smoothie and then add in your fruit as well. So as you can tell, this one's been open too because he's seen that and he wanted to try that as well. Again, I can say it's really, really good. So there's 24 grams of protein and 150 calories, so it's brilliant. And coming into the summer, there definitely will be more smoothies made because they're just refreshing. So yeah, that's that one. And then they just sent me 3 little scoops, which is really handy because these things, they all need scoops, so it's handy to have all them. And then they also sent me 2 of the little slender bars, plant-based protein. Only 176 calories in this one, and it's with chocolate chips. So it's just a wee chocolate one with chocolate chips. And then I have one with peanut butter, which I am so excited to try that one. I think that one's going to be really nice, and that one's 189 calories in that. So yeah, if you're on the go, or you're in a hurry, or you just want something to nibble at, these are so handy just to lift out of the cupboard. Now, I have tried them before and they are really, really good. They definitely do have that protein taste to them, but some of them are okay, some of them don't. But all protein bars are going to have that protein taste to them. But I'm definitely wanting to try this one now. I'm just going to open it and try it. I just can't wait if I can open it. So that's what they look like. They're just a nice wee thin bar inside. So it's soft, and I am getting the peanut butter taste from it as well. It's not chewy or anything. It's literally just, I don't know if you can see it. It's nearly like a wee cake bar. So it's soft, and then I can just get the flavours of the peanut butter. That's nice. So yes, that's what I'm going to munch on today. Or this morning. But yeah, definitely take yourself over to the Protein World website. Have a look through. Use the 40% off because it's going to bring the price way down. And all the stuff, look at my hair. It's literally so frizzy, but I washed it last night and I literally just didn't bother drying it or anything. So yeah, that's the outcome of that. But yes, Protein World is it's really good. They have a big selection of stuff, and all to your own liking, whatever you like. Like, there's mug cakes, there's snack foods, there's pizza bases, like I say, and there's different flavoured Slender Blends for milkshakes or the smoothie type one there. Yeah, there's so much variety of flavours, and it's just really good. So yeah, definitely take yourself over and have a wee browse and use my discount code, which I will place here again, and get your 40% off. And yeah, I am so excited to try all my Protein World. So thank you so much for watching, and I shall be back soon with more. Bye!